Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I thought I would look up to see what the solar flux index is doing. And there's an 11-year cycle. And let's go down. This is the number of sunspots. And here's the solar flux index. And you can see about where this graph starts, about 2009, it was down below 70. And then it slowly increased. And I started my Tom's Radio Room shows about 2010, 2011. And so over the years, shortwave reception was getting better and better. And then it was like excellent around 2014, 2015. And then it started going downhill. Still pretty good. As long as it is above 100, then propagation could be good. If this is just one indication of what propagation is going to be like on the shortwave band. And then it went down, and then 2018 it was below 70. And it's been that way for several years, and now it's finally breaking out. If you look at the predicted values, which is the red line, it should continue to get better and better and better, which is what I'm looking forward to. Now, this particular graph is a little behind. The last data point is January 2021. Now, if we go to this website, here is the most recent data. And it shows right now it's 80. It's been in the low 70s, 60s for quite a few months. So this is increasing. The current number of sunspots is 31. That, of course, affects the solar flux index. And then we come down here and we can see his graph. Where is it? Right down there. So he's still showing it down in the mud. Now this is, pretty not so detailed is the word I'm looking for, a graph. Trying to see if he has, this shows 20 to 21. That's a little more detail. But it doesn't show this little spike above 70, above 80, which it was above 80 yesterday. Now it's down to 81. I mean, now it's down to 80. I'll get this right in a minute. Anyway, hopefully this is indicating that things should improve based on this predicted 11-year cycle. We shall see. Turn your radios on, see if you can hear anything on shortwave, and give us all a report back how shortwave's doing where you live. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.